Is an anti-gravity battery for the B9 a good replacement for the factory battery for daily
If
use?
you're just doing daily stuff, I don't think it'd be worth it. We've run anti-gravities in a bunch of stuff, and for the most part, they've been good. We
Well,
have
that's an
had we
issue.
had massive issues with one of them. We never quite sussed out exactly what the problem with the battery was, but it almost destroyed an entire uh, day at the quarter mile.
Yeah.
Where we were troubleshooting all kinds of random problems with the car. The thing would get three-quarters of the way down the strip, and then just all hell would break loose. Every light in the dash would come on. And finally, we swapped the battery out, and that cured
Yeah.
it. So it was. They're not foolproof.
Yeah. No offense to anti-gravity. I wouldn't run any racing lithium aftermarket battery in a
In
daily
a
use
daily,
car.
unless you've got a specific need for it, you're trying to accomplish something.
Yeah, unless you don't mind getting stranded or having your car not start. But the last thing I want is to be, somewhere in the rain with my kids and my car won't start, or on a date and not have my motor crank over. So I think those batteries are good if you're looking to save 50 pounds of weight and you're drag racing or you're at the track or something. I think that's a compromise that makes sense. But for day-to-day use, I would just get a factory battery. These days, I think
I mean,
factory
lithium tech's
batteries.
really good, but it's just you're dealing with. It's not just the battery you're dealing with; it's a battery management system
Yeah.
built into it. That's all a whole part of it. But
Yeah.
generally doesn't respond and behave quite the same way that the lead acid stuff that the car is set up for does. So your cranking amps and all that are totally different.
I've just been stranded too many times, and I got burned by who was the one company?
Braille.
Braille.
Yeah, we used to run
Man,
Braille
those
stuff,
were such.
but those were just little lead acids. Those were like little
Yeah.
like PC.
But every
backup
time we put
batteries.
one in a car, the car would
As long as it started right away, you were okay. But if it sat for a day or two, or if you're doing anything other than being at a racetrack and running,
The slowest race car is a race car that can't even start.
yeah, we had so many jump packs we'd carry with us for
Yeah.
those days.
So it's like, I don't know, let's accept another 20 pounds and have the car start and run.
Yeah.